Hey, it's Eran here. Welcome to the DCT.comTruths Facebook group. Really excited for you to be here. I know you might be wondering, what is .comTruths? What is it all about? What does it even mean? So I have actually got a really extensive resource, very detailed, which is going to take you on the journey of going from idea to living off passive/recurring income. And that journey is applicable to 5 different routes: affiliate marketer, course creator, membership site owner, coach, or service provider. Those 5 routes are the routes that I know I can confidently help you to find success online. And that's what my education and the community is all about. I have no high-ticket courses, no high-ticket coaching, and a lot of my stuff is actually available totally for free. So what I recommend you do is go through this particular PDF, eran.link/PDF. You'll be able to see it somewhere below linked as well. And then as part of that, there is actually a training video that walks you through the journey that I just told you about for those 5 routes as well. So that's why I recommend you start with. As part of this PDF, there's also a self-assessment checklist for you to evaluate where are you at in the journey. I'm going to list out all the key things that you need to have to start and launch your online business. And you'll be able to self-assess, even if you're not a beginner, to see where you at, what holes might be missing in your journey, so you can fill these holes and get clarity and focus on what it is that you are trying to do. So this checklist is also included as part of the PDF. The training is included as well, all free. You do not have to be a paying member or anything like that. And the community is there to really help you, collaborate, network, and see other people's success, find collaborations, get inspired, and things along these lines. There's a collaboration post that I really recommend you go check out. It's in the featured post as well, where you can introduce who you are, what you do, who you serve, what you sell, and also go through this page and make meaningful connections. I explained this concept of finding customers in another training video called Traffic, and I really recommend you go and practice what I teach in that video on this particular collaborations post. So that's how to make the most out of the Facebook group. And there's a bunch of free resources, but I want to also keep you focused and not overwhelmed. So step 1, PDF. Step 2, self-assessment. Step 3, you can watch my videos, the success journey and the traffic training, and go to the collabs post and introduce yourself. So go ahead and do that. And also, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, please leave a comment below to let me know that you're in, that you're excited, and I'm looking forward to serving you. Thanks. I'll speak to you soon.